guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue Boy FX, and it's a very great Sunday morning here. And yeah, we've already been on some signals already, which I also give to the free channel, the C300 for a sale, and we caught spikes. And this was our trade from yesterday, the VIX 101S. Okay, let's go to the VIP room because we give signals on the VIP. Okay, we give signals on the VIP. So we got hit by the SL because I was trying to buy the VIX 100 this morning, okay, yesterday evening, but we got hit, but we were able to recover with the C300, which we are still on. So this was the VIX 101S, and we smashed TP1, TP2, and we're still in profit. This is the TPs. Okay, here is it, by the VIX 101S. And we also had the crash 300. I mean, we've been making hits on the on our VIP, and now we are on the crash 300 again, and we went in for a sell. Okay, we went in for a sell, but I think this is a real account. This is someone's account. So now this, as you can see, is a downtrend, and we've been able to see that it has gotten to this point and it has come to retest this level. Okay, it has come to retest this level. Had it been we saw it earlier, we would have gotten in immediately. We saw the rejection on the lower time frame. Maybe after this candlestick we should have gotten in on this present candlestick, but that's not bad. We're still gonna make profit out of it. So please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like the video, share it to your friends. And for those of you that wants to join the VIP, you want account management, you want your Profem to be passed for you, you want to learn how to trade, mentorship, hit me up. I'm available for you. Okay. Oh, and it's so sad that the candlesticks are not showing very well, but that's not a problem. So I guess some of you have seen me use this before, so let's try using this on a different pair. Let's try using this on a different pair. So this is the crash 1000. Okay, and on this parts here we have the lower band, and the upper one should be up here. Okay, so now, how do you know when to go in for a buy? How do you know when to sell? And things like that. So that's why we have, first of all, we have to check the movement of the market, what's happening on the 4 hours. Well, let's see the daily first so that we can, okay, on the daily we've seen that is a downtrend. Okay, we've seen that this is a downtrend, and let's see the 4 hours. Since the screen is not big, you can see a declining slide here. From this level here is just declining, so we are comfortable enough to go wait for selling entries. Okay, so now when you go onto the 1 minute time frame, which is the time frame, sorry, the 5 minutes, which is the time frame that I use. Now you see that we have the lower band, we have the upper band. Now, how do you know when to go in for a sell? How do you know when to go in for a buy? But now I would love to scalp this market, but this is not the right time to scalp. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. Now you see that we have the MACD and the moving average, the MACD and the moving average, and we have the bands. Okay, so now whenever the MACD and the moving average gets below the lower band, whenever it gets below the lower band and there's a crossover between the MACD and the moving average, that's a right time for you to go in to catch your scalps. If you're in the crash, okay, you go in to scalp. You scalp the market and look out for profit at this level here, the upper band. Okay, but you have to be sure, okay, of what you're doing. If it's buying entries you're looking for, you have to have reasons for looking for buying entries. Okay, you have to find reasons. So now let's backtest this. This is another example here. It comes below the lower band and there's a crossover and market keeps going up. this is going to be a very short video because I don't want to waste your time. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. So this is another one, comes down here, you see, scalp to this level, comes down here, crosses over again, and same thing has been happening. So you should be sure of the direction of the market. As I said earlier, I would love to scalp this market, but this isn't the right time. Why am I saying it's not the right time? Because market has gotten to this level and it has crossed over. So what are we looking at? We are looking at spikes coming. Okay, we are looking at spikes coming. So right now I would love to get into this trade and later hang on the road. So I've shown you how this works. Now let me just show you the indicator settings I use. This is the MACD, the fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, the MACD SMA 6. Apply to close. There are no levels. The time frames, you use it on all time frames. Then the main and signal line, you can use any color. Okay, so when you're done, you go back at the moving average, which has a period of 2. Shift is 0. Method is linear weighted. Apply to face indicators that are be very, very careful with the method and the application. The levels are, there are no levels. The time frame, all time frames, and you can use any color for your style. Then the last one, the Bollinger Band. We have the period 200. We have the shift 0. Deviation is 1.5. Apply to face indicators data as well. No levels, time frame, all time frames. Use any color. And when you're done, sorry, I had a call coming in. So when you're done, you go back and wait for your spike. So at this juncture, what am I waiting for? It's actually for spikes. Okay, it's actually for spikes because market has gotten to this level and we expect the spikes to come. Then when it gets down to this level again, we go in for a buy. And another thing you have to look out for is the zoom level. You have to be careful for the zoom level, you see. So the zoom level I used is 1 and the time frame I used is 5 minutes. Okay, the time frame I used is 5 minutes. So left for me, I'm going to show you too how to use it on the Boom 300. The Boom 300. So this is the Boom 300 and it has gotten to the upper part of the band and there's been a crossover, but I would have loved if it went above the upper band. Okay, I would have loved if it went above it like this, then I'll be confident enough to get into it. So now let's see. This is a 4 hours. Wow, it's a downtrend. H1 showing us a downtrend as well. And now the 5 minutes. Now if I want to go into this trade, I will go in for a sell because I want to scalp. I can scalp few candlesticks and leave because market has gotten to the upper part. But to be on the safe side, it's always important that you can actually wait. Okay, you can actually wait for it to get above the upper band first. But if you see this, that there has been a crossover, it's still a good time. But make sure that you keep your SL close. Okay, keep your SL close so you don't lose a lot. Okay, so guys, if this video has been helpful to you, try using it on your demo first. Try using this video on your demo first. Then after the demo, you can now settle for whatever it is they want to settle for. So guys, I want to thank you for watching this video, and thank you. If you want to join the channel, check the description of this video. You will find the link to the Telegram channel. You're going to find the link to the Telegram channel where you can join for free. And we have the VIP, of course, the VIP group. We don't give signals every now and then. We don't give signals every now and then. We just do what we have to do. But our crash 300 is back in loss, but we still expect it to keep crashing because there is a resistance. This resistance is going to stand and it's going to put that market down. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy every bit of it, and I hope to see you guys on the channel. Thanks for watching once again. See you guys.